Hello, traders. Today is Wednesday, May 6th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the daily time frame. So the pound yen last night made another pretty nice little push to the downside, but boy, it really seems like it doesn't want to go below the 61 and the 78% fib. I still think there's a chance that this might end up turning back up mostly because of my JPY analysis. But no matter what my analysis says, the trend is definitely down based on structure. We got a break to the downside, and the trend is definitely down based on market flow because we are making engulfing moves to the downside. So, because of those reasons, we definitely should be bearish on sort of time frames. Going down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, this whole move was very, very, very overlapping, which I guess sort of told us that this is a pullback to this move down. I was thinking it was just a little bit of a battle between the Bills and the Bears, and eventually it was going to end up just continuing up. But last night, at about 2 o'clock in the morning, my time, it broke down very, very hard. Now, I am definitely looking for shorts. So we have our Fibonacci retracement from here to here. We are looking at anything we see to the upside as possibly just a pullback within a downtrend. So maybe the 61 or the 78% could be the areas of resistance. If it decides to go up and break structure, I'll be more than happy to start looking for longs after the break of structure. But until that happens, I am definitely looking for shorts, anywhere between like the 1 hour, 2 hour, maybe 30-minute time frame, looking for shorts in a downtrend. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.